Yes, guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, man, Gabidan Family TV. Well, guys, me actually have a story to actually share with you. Yeah, man. So, but I might tell you some unfortunate situation can actually reach a person wherein, you have to just learn from these things. Yeah, man. So, me actually have a story where this young lady, she actually share her story based on how she got locked up for stealing goats. Right? That's all our way, right? Yeah, man. She actually got locked up for stealing goats. So another person would actually say, boy, this one a goat thief. Yeah, man, but you go get the understanding when we actually play the clip still and make you actually hear, what really transpire, you know. Boy, just a single situation can just make things look and sound away. So, you know, sometimes when things happen, you have to wonder how it happened, guys. But me I tell you, we are going to just kind of just go through the clip, and we just talk about it. Because this is something for actually learn about too, Yeah, man, you can actually learn from this. Sometimes when you see some things, it better you just not pay it no mind, or you just try to just avoid the whole situation. Yeah, man. But we could just kind of just go through where the lady actually kind of share, and we just get our own little understanding. Yeah, man. So this is it.
Story time about how me get locked up for thief goat. Now, I'm a country girl born and bred. You have a friend who don't like it when people use the word country to describe rural areas. But anyway, the chances of her seeing this video are slim to none. But in case she does see it, sorry friend. Anyways, back to the story. Country girl, born and bred. I love plant. I love to plant and I love to watch them grow from germination to flower to fruit. I love eat them too. So, but before me bitch up the little piece of fence out the door, what Beryl and Melissa batter go and batter come make it look like he go through three World War. Animals were the bane of my existence. Any animal you could have think of. Dog, fowl, cow, goat, puss, everything. Even insect to ants, everything. Plague me go, plague me come. But for the life of me, none of these animals had any owners. Owners could never be found. So, I saw me plant, I saw them eat. Basically, I did animals me a plant for, not myself. Anyway, somebody tell me about one man cross the way who them say a theme goat them. So, me not have no if it take lick. Let me just make that clear. Me big, but me not have no if it take lick. I'm afraid I lick bad. And I'm very non-confrontational. But it got to a point where I just could not take it anymore. And so, I go to the man. I went to him very respectfully. Sir, I heard these goats are yours. They have been destroying my crops. Every single thing that I plant, they eat. Man say I no film goat them. Remember, me not know if it take clicks. So I say, alright, fine. And me did a battle them go, me did a battle them come. Every God Almighty day, cow, goat, dog, puss, everything in my yard. One day I go outside, say me I go rake. What that me go there go see? Goats. Try them to be exact. I run them and it just so happened that one man I drive past at the same time and see me I run them and him I say, I feel I got them I get a problem man. Me say, sir, I know if me got them. He say, how I got them? Me say, I stray got them, then I no owner. They could have never have owner. 5 years, nobody now own them. Me did their butter come with me crap them. They had to be strays. So me tell the man, say, strays. The man say, strays, you sure? Me say, yeah, stray got them. The man say, alright. We go take your problem off of your hand. Man drive one Pro Box, as me say. I mean, I left me did say that before, but he drive one Pro Box. Load up the 3 goat in the Pro Box and he gone about in business. Me rake up me yard and go back in the house. I finish me chores them. Me hear calling outside. That's very peculiar. People don't normally come to me. I go. I see me the man come to a me yard and stand up. Go out there to him. Not the same man who me go to. If you go ask him say if a film go them and him say I no film go them. him here say, me selling goat them.
What you say nothing about them?
What you mean me sell a goat them, sir? Somebody tell him say, them see me I talk to one man, what drive past in a one pro box, and after the man talk to me, the man put the goat them in the vehicle and drive off. No, me can't tell lie very good, so me tell him say yes. Me tell the man say a stray goat them, and the man take them. How me fi tell the man say a stray goat or whatever? Me say, sir, but the goat them now have no owner. Remember that I came to you years ago and you told me the goats were not yours? The goat them did, then the goat that the time I never feel. Me say, but they are the same goats that were in the yard this morning. Well, him no know about that, but me have to go pay for goat them. Me say, well, sir, me don't know where you go get it pay from because me not have 2 shillings rubbed together. Alright then, me go call police. Remember, me no confrontation now. Said, okay, sir, do what you gotta do. He left. Me go back in the house, least concern. Me hear pip pip. This was some time later. Pip pip. Go to the door. Police vehicle. Serrated, no, how this? Officer came in, he was quite respectful. Good afternoon, my name is Officer so-and-so. This gentleman came to the station and made a report that you sold this goat. You say me, officer? Me selling goat? Yes, him say you selling goat. I say, I don't know about that, Officer say if me did have issues with goats this morning. I say, yes, some goats were in my yard and I ran them. I said, what happened after me run them? I tell him, say, one man pass. I mean, I tell no lie. So one man a pass and see me I run the goat them and ask me, who for goat them? And I told him, they don't have any owners, they are strays. So the man decided to take the goats and go. No, I don't know the man. No, I don't know where he's from. I don't know anything about the man. The man just happened to be passing. Officer said, well, he's going to have to charge me.
Yeah.
Sir, officer, what you mean charge? I not do nothing. I did not sell no monies exchanged hands. What you mean? The officer say, he might go charge me with larceny of something. I remember.
How comes that?
I nearly piss up myself. But he was very respectful and he allowed me to go in and change. And he did not handcuff me. Can you imagine? Me a good upstanding citizen, And then I go get draw hall and pull in a police vehicle for thief goat, for sell goat, when me don't know nothing about. You imagine? But anyway, he never handcuffed me and he made me keep my phone. So on the way, and he allowed me to make calls. So on the way going down to the station, now me in a police vehicle, mighty God. Going to the station, me make some calls, and it just so happened that me know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody, and that somebody are very good friends with the owner of the goat. And it so happened that the person who me know for years, when me always a talk to about the goat them in a me yard, say him no know who for goat them, and him go tell the owner, say a me a man he did see attack and the man put the goat them in the vehicle. So it so happened that calls were made and them get in touch with the pro box man and the pro box man carry back the goat. So me did go in a jailhouse but I wasn't locked up. Thank God say me know people who did know me too.
Lucky too.
Sorry. So remember after years the goat them a played me and nobody never know who for goat them. Them never have no owner. And as the goat them disappear, the owner appear. So yeah, that's my story time on how I got locked up for something that I knew nothing about. Alright.
Yeah, man. It was a very interesting story. How unfortunate, things can really reach a person. You're trying to do the right thing, and it turn around on you like, you're the bad one. So, what will really happen if she didn't know somebody or that somebody knows somebody based on what um, she mentioned, how will I really play out? So now they have the lady they know like say she has some goat teeth. Remember, in your yard you can actually have um, goats eating on the flowers and all of these things. And because say, you try to get them away from your plant and all of these things. And as soon as them become missing, or somebody see we around them or something like that, and because it could be a case where she run them and them round where go somewhere else, and because somebody actually see where she make an attempt to, you know, get the goat them out of her garden or whatever it might be. It is a problem. That is something actually question where police is concerned. Because you can't really lock up a person because you try if you run some goat out of your yard and somebody decides, say, you know what, he might go take them and do him one. You're not busy about that. That not supposed to have nothing to do with you. But peeps, boy, it kinda really hard for really. Kinda really hard to really determine how to actually go about a situation like that still. But in our sense, I mean, maybe if she had made a report, that are the only thing we can actually say. Maybe if she had made a report stating that over the years there had been some stray goats, based on what she said, had been plaguing her yard or her ground or her garden or whatever it might be. And in the event if something do happen, you understand, there has been a statement about it. I think that are the only thing I can actually, you know, say about this. That is my point. But actually like report it, you know. Because people nowadays they're wicked and lie go fast. Tell you honest truth. Lie are something we go very, 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 very fast. Because you know if you do a man nothing to him. If police want come jail you up and hang you up a certain kind of way, boy, and and it's like traumatized you wonder what this how I go on, brother, but me I tell you it's a lie or something we can go fast. As long as it is convincing, police quick figure handle it a certain kind of way, you know. Yeah man. So I hope you guys actually kind of learn something from the whole little story that the lady actually told. Because I learned something. I learned something. I say as soon as you can take action, try to protect yourself. I want the best thing. I want the best situation. Yeah man, report it man. You know. You come like a man try to broke into your place. Or you see a man a walk through your yard a certain kind of way. And you see him a walk through more than one time. You know? One day to come in over tell him. I go to school, I try to scoop out the place. If you come broke in your place and all of these things. So take things for granted. You understand? When you take things for granted a certain kind of way, some situation can reach you where you can't come out of it. If you get what I say, peeps. Yeah man, don't take things for granted. Yeah man, if it's certain things I go a certain kind of way and you can make an alarm or or make some form of complaint which is legal, just to protect yourself, your best interest, it is best to do so. Yeah man. So it was a good reasoning, peeps. I hope you actually kinda get an understanding of what actually, was said based on the video and all of that. That was actually my reaction still. Yeah man, the best feel like report these things, make somebody know what really are going. Yeah man. So anyway, if you guys actually make it this far in the video, I really do appreciate, you know, yeah man. Do appreciate you're doing so. Yeah, man. So just show some support if you're actually new to the channel, please. Give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, man. Like, comment, and share, you know. Yeah, man. Comment, guys. Yeah, man. Me know what I go on, man. Because me actually realize person actually watching the video, but we actually get a few, like, you know, comments, but more I get a feedback from the peeps. Yeah, man. Who wants so we can do something, you know, serious, some serious reason so we can make it think kind of better, you know. But I need you guys to just your input. Yeah, man. Without the input is like, you know, it don't really make sense. But yeah, man, I actually have a vision where this thing can go a far away. You know, different topics, reasoning, feedback, and all of that. Yeah, man, and many more things to come, man. So just bless upon yourself, do the right thing. Yeah, man, be real to yourself and others. Yeah, man, bless up yourself. Gabbard and Family TV. Yeah, man, that is it. I'm out. Till the next video. Yeah, man, bless up.